Thank you so much for tuning in today, watching our recipe for Ibul, I-B-U-L. It's also called Imbul Kiribath. It's a sweet variation of the Kiribath recipe. And today we're going to be showing you how to prepare this in our village in Sri Lanka. So this is a primitive way to make this. You can also make this from home. And here are the ingredients that we're going to be using today.
KETO rice, this has been washed rice and drained. Our next ingredient is coconut milk. These are all very fresh ingredients. And then we have fresh chopped coconut. And we have salt. You can pick up all these ingredients for yourself at the store. Sugar. But it's really fascinating to watch how they make this outside in the village. And water. First, we're going to take a heavy pot and we're going to put the sugar in the pot with a little bit of water. We're going to bring all of this to a boil, dissolving the sugar on the open fire. And you can see the steam coming off of it. Very long spoon so we don't burn ourselves. And we're going to get the sugar very hot. And we're going to boil it until it gets to a frothy state. We're going to start adding our ingredients. Our coconut. Stir that in very well. Rice. I think rice was first and now coconut. We'll get all of this blended in with our sugar paste. And we're going to leave it on the stove, on the fire, so it can get really hot. We're going to add the salt. So this Kiribath recipe is a sweetened version of the Kiribath. And we're just going to make sure this is all mixed in. The Kiribath typically has 4 basic components. It's the rice, thick coconut milk or basic milk, water, and salt to taste. You can see we're getting this all mixed in. Very traditional recipe for our villagers. We're going to put this on a banana leaf, just like we would put on a plate. This is a really strong leaf. And this is going to be our filling inside of the Kiribath rice. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Looks like candy. Next, we're going to take the KETO rice, another batch that we've rinsed. We're going to put it in a pot. Make sure it all gets rinsed in water and then strained out. These village ladies and girls, they know what they're doing. They've made this recipe many times. We're going to stir it back with water. we're going to put it back on the fire to boil the rice to make the Kiribath. And we're stirring it in with coconut milk to make it really rich and thick. And as you can see, she's stirring with the end of the spoon to really get it mixed in good. And then she takes it and mixes it more with the ladle of the spoon. But this kind of grinding it gets it off the bottom of the pot. It gets a little bit sticky. Now we're going to take the cooked rice, and she's bringing it back to the table. This is their table. And we're going to be spooning it onto, you can use parchment paper, plastic wrap, and spoon out a portion of the rice. Next, we're going to put the Ibul inside of the rice. And we're going to be covering it up with the rice with the milk inside. And we're going to be shaping it into balls. And as you can see, she's twisting it inside of the plastic wrap and making a mold. And this is just the perfect way to make this dish. And she presses and presses to get it just perfectly oval. And look how beautiful that is. So that's one of the Imbul Kiribaths with the sweet filling inside. Next, we're going to make another one. And the rice is just perfectly made to form that nice ball, nice oval piece. And this lady has a lot of skill, the Indian girl. This is a beautiful island in Sri Lanka. And it's been served for centuries on this island. It's one of their staples that they eat every day. It's made with their meals for special occasions or a centerpiece for the meal. So we're going to make several of these. Next, we're going to cut it in half after it dries a little bit. And as you can see the filling inside. And it's a beautiful dish. Beautiful centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Be sure to subscribe. Please like, share with friends, and please comment below. Again, thank you.
Hi, I'm Sweet Sue, and I'm cooking amazing recipes. We have village cooking that it's cooked on the outdoors, an open fire. These are amazing recipes to watch. Like this one, for example, it's stringing batter into very hot oil. And this can be flavored into like onion rings, or you could do like not potato chips, but like batter chips. And then you could also have it as a dessert underneath fruit, like it's a little cookie or a cake. So this is a very unique type of cooking where it cooks very fast and it's made out of a batter. cooked outside over either an open fire or a very hot stove. We have recipes from start to finish. If you like these recipes and also enjoy watching our videos with village people and different other recipes such as stir fry and also air frying, then please consider subscribing. Simply click my picture to the right side of the screen on the bottom, and you will see all of our recent uploads. We appreciate it, and it will grow our channel.